To the beautiful land of Kerala, a state renowned for its spices, backwaters and vibrant culture. Kerala, with its stunning natural landscapes, rich traditions and renowned hospitality, is also a state with a deep-rooted passion for football. This love for the sport runs through the veins of Keralites, and over the years, our state has proudly produced some of the nation's finest football talents.
It is with great pride that we, Kuriakose Elias English Medium School Mananam, host the CISCE National Football Championship 2024. This prestigious event brings together the best young talents from across the country, showcasing not only their footballing prowess, but also the values that sports instill: teamwork, discipline, and the spirit of healthy competition.
Over the next few days, we will witness remarkable skill, unwavering sportsmanship, and thrilling moments as these young athletes compete for top honors. Together, let us celebrate the beautiful game, the excitement of competition, and the unifying power of sports. Once again, we warmly welcome you all to the CISE National Football Championship 2024.
I am Anandarama Ganapati.
I am Janita Jose. And I am Divya Emmanuel.
And together we welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of
CISCE National Football Championship 2024. Let us pray for the strength, courage and teamwork to make this day a grand success. To begin with a prayer to seek blessings for a successful and injury-free championship, let me call upon our school choir for the prayer song. It is our pleasure to welcome all the participating teams, coaches and officials to this momentous occasion. We are honored to have you all here in Kerala, and we hope you will cherish the memories of this championship. A cordial welcome speech sets the tone for a successful event. It is my great honor to welcome our visionary leader, a passionate educator, and a champion of excellence in education, Reverend Dr. James Mullasheri CMI, Principal, House School, Kuriakose Elias English Medium School, Mananam, Coordinator, CISE Regional Sports and Games, Kerala. He has been a driving force in shaping the future of education. To deliver a welcome address, I call upon Reverend Dr. James Mullasheri CMI on the stage. Father, please.
Good evening, respected President of today's function, CISE Sports and Games, National Football Championship 2024 inaugural ceremony, Dr. C.T. Aravinda Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor of MG University, Kottayam, the most respected Sri V.N. Vasavan, Honorable Minister for Corporation, Ports and Devasams, Government of Kerala, who is inaugurating this mega event of CISE National Football Championship 2024 for the students of CISE affiliated schools, ICSE and ISC students, Advocate Mons Joseph, MLA Kaduthuruthi, Srimati K.B. Bindu, President, District Panchayat Kottayam, Sri Jo Sambalakulam, President, Adarambida Grama Panchayat, Dr. Rosamma Soni, Member, District Panchayat Kottayam, Srimati Annamma Mani, Member, Block Panchayat Etumanur, Sri Shaji Joseph, Ward Member, Adarambida Grama Panchayat, Advocate Jason Joseph, PTA President, K School Mananam, Dr. Indu P. Nair, PTA Vice President, Mr. Shaji George, Vice Principal, Mr. Roy Michael, Vice Principal, respected parents, coaches, managers, and team members from different regions of the CISE, respected teachers, parents, the players who are here in Kerala with us today in the MG University ground here, all other officials, referees and other staff members of MG University, the physical education faculty members of MG University, and all dear friends. This evening is made blessed with the presence of our kids from all over India as well as from abroad, UAE. Kuriakose Elias English Medium School, Mananam, is privileged to host the CISE Council for Indian School Certificate Examination National Football Championship for Under 14, Under 17 and Under 19 boys here in Kerala. And we are very happy to welcome all of you at the outset to God's own country, a place, a state which is blessed with God Almighty, with serene atmosphere, beautiful greeneries, bright waters and hill stations. A state really God's own state. And today we have here with us Honorable Minister Sri V.N. Vasavan sir to inaugurate this event of CISE. We know the Council for Indian School Certificate Examination is organizing various sports, games and other activities for the development of the students of the CISE. And we know education, the concept of education is not merely imparting education, not merely bookish knowledge, but an individual should grow in every manner, physically, spiritually, academically, mentally, and emotionally. In all the spheres, an individual should grow. Realizing this, the Council CISE, the Chairman of the Council, Dr. G. Emmanuel, and the Chief Executive and Secretary, Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, they together organize all the activities for the CISE. And I'm extremely happy that our Honorable Minister, Sri V.N. Vasavan sir, also the MLA of our locality, H. Manur, is here with us in this university ground to open this event. Honorable respected Minister doesn't need an introduction for the people over here, but for the people, the students, the teachers, the coaches, the parents, those who have come here from various places, it's our privilege to introduce our Honorable Minister, who is a friend of our institution here, and also a person with a lot of vision. After becoming the Minister of the Government of Kerala, he has changed the face of this locality, Ettumanu. And we yesterday had a grand function of inaugurating the renewed structure of our junction Athirampuza, which is the nearby place in which university is situated. Apart from that, there is a notable change in every aspect of this locality. The life of people have changed. The society has changed. His long vision and systematic planning. And we all appreciate his dedicated efforts to bring up education to its zenith, supporting MG University and all the nearby institutions, including our Kuriakose Elias English Medium School. He has a vision to nurture the field of education. And also we know the medical college, which is nearby, Kottayam Medical College. The development of that medical college is a dream of our minister. So he has done a lot of development in every field. So dear Minister, it's our privilege and honor that you are here with us to inaugurate the CISE National Football Tournament for boys under 14, under 17 and under 19. And I welcome all you on behalf of all the people, all the players and all the parents, teachers and students, those who have come here from various places of India and abroad. Welcome you, dear Minister. And we have here with us the President of today's function, Dr. C.T. Aravind Kumar, the Vice Chancellor of MG University. And I, at the outset, thank him for giving an opportunity for us, the CISE affiliated schools, to have this tournament, this championship in this newly built football stadium. And for your information, this is just completed construction and the inauguration is pending. And even before that, MG University, especially the Vice Chancellor of the university, has permitted us to conduct our championship in this ground. And we know Dr. C.T. Aravinda Kumar is not only a teacher, he is a scientist, he is a person who looks and keeps keen interest in the protection of nature. The university ground and campus itself is a testimony for that, keeping the greenery all around. A lot of developmental works are taking place in this campus, a lot of developments. And he is a friend of our school, Kuriakose Elias English Medium School, as a parent, as the Vice Chancellor. He supports all our endeavors. On behalf of all of you, I welcome you, most respected Vice Chancellor of MG University, Dr. C.T. Aravinda Kumar sir, to this function. And we have the presence of a Panchayat President, Sri Jose Ambalakulam. Our institutions are coming under Adirampida Grama Panchayat. It's a Panchayat area. And as the President of this Grama Panchayat, Sri Jose Ambalakulam extends every support to all our efforts. I cordially welcome our Grama Panchayat President, Sri Jose Ambalakulam, to this function. We also have the presence of Dr. Rosamma Soni, the member of the District Panchayat Kottayam, with us. She is not only a District Panchayat member. For me, she is my teacher in my college days. So with due respect, I welcome Dr. Rosamma Soni to this function. I am also very happy to welcome Srimati Annamma Mani, the Block Panchayat member Echumanur, who is always a supporting, a motherly figure to our institution. Welcome. Every activities of an institution depends on the support of the local body. And being the ward member of our school, Sri Shaji Joseph extends a lot of support to all our activities. I welcome you, dear Sri Shaji Joseph, Ward Member, Adirampida Gram Panchayat, to this function. Our school is blessed to have beautiful and lovely parents. They extend their wholehearted support to all our endeavors. And today on the stage, we have, representing the parents, the PTA President Advocate Jason Joseph and PTA Vice President Dr. Indu P. Nair. I welcome both of you to this function. And we have our administration of the school divided into many sections. Apart from the principal, we have eminent vice principals, Roy sir, Shaji sir, and also headmaster, K.D. Sebastian sir, and various section heads. On the stage representing all this, we have Shaji sir and Roy sir, our vice principals. I welcome you, dear vice principals, to this function. I especially acknowledge the support of Dr. Binu George, who is the Dean, Director, School of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, MG University, Kottayam. He is absent today. He is in a travel now. He is not able to be present. But in his absence, I welcome Dr. Binu to this opening ceremony. I am also very happy to welcome in a very special way all the team members who joined with us from various states. I welcome Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region, Bihar and Jharkhand region, Karnataka region, Kerala region, Maharashtra and Goa, North India, Northwest, Tamil Nadu, UP and UK, West Bengal and Northeast, UAE, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. I welcome you all, my dear players and their coaches, managers and parents to this tournament. I am also happy to welcome all the officials of this championship under the guidance of Binu sir. We have the presence of Santosh sir and his team here with us to control these matches. And I welcome all the officials, including the faculty, members of MG University Physical Education Department. Once again, I welcome you all the dignitaries and the media persons who extend a lot of support to us, all the parents, students and teachers, welcome you all. I pray the blessings of God Almighty to every one of us who has joined with us to participate in the CISCA National Football Championship 2024. Thank you. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, players and officials, we have a special treat for you all. To entertain and delight us with her melodious voice, please put your hands together for Kumari Nilufer VS. Get ready to be enthralled by the soulful voice of Nilufer.
Now, let's move on to the March Pass. It's time to welcome the stars of the show, the talented young footballers. Let's pay reverence and tribute together to welcome the teams as they march past us, proudly representing their regions. First, we have the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region. Led by their coach, they are ready to showcase their skills and make their mark on the field. We extend a warm welcome to the team. These two states are known for their rich cultural heritage, from Telugu cinema to the vibrant festivals. In recent years, they have also emerged as strong contenders in the sports world, including football. Let's welcome their coach, manager, and players and wish them success in the tournament.
Next, we have Bihar and Jharkhand region with their coach, guiding them. They are geared up to do their best and make their region proud. We extend a warm welcome to the team from Bihar and Jharkhand. Bihar is renowned for its historical significance, from Nalanda University to the ancient city of Gujarat, while Jharkhand is mineral wealth and natural beauty. Both states have a strong sports culture, with Jharkhand being home to many talented footballers. We are excited to have this team with us, and we look forward to their stellar performance. Next, we have Chhattisgarh region led by their coach. They're ready to showcase their skills and make their mark on the field. We are proud to welcome the team from Chhattisgarh, the land of rich tribal culture and natural beauty. Chhattisgarh is rapidly growing in the sports scene, and we are excited to have their football team here with us. With a strong work ethic and determination, they are sure to make their mark on the field. Let's give them a warm welcome. Now we have Karnataka region with their coach guiding them. They're geared up to give their best and make their region proud. Let's give a warm welcome to the team from Karnataka, the land of technological innovation, beautiful landscapes and rich history. Karnataka is known for its love for sports, with football becoming increasingly popular in the recent years. We are excited to have their talented players with us, and we look forward to their exciting performances. Welcome to Kerala. Now we have the Madhya Pradesh region led by their captain. They are ready to showcase their skills and make their mark on the field. We welcome the team from Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, known for its wildlife sanctuaries, historical monuments, and a rich cultural history. Madhya Pradesh has also shown great promise in football. We are thrilled to have this team with us, and we are sure they will bring their best to the competition. A warm welcome to the coach, manager, and players.
Now we have the Maharashtra and Goa region, led by their captain. They are ready to showcase their skills and make their mark on the field. We extend a warm welcome to the teams from Maharashtra and Goa. Maharashtra, the land of Bollywood and the majestic Western Ghats, is also home to a rich sporting culture, with football being a key part of it. Goa, known for its stunning beaches, has a long-standing passion for football, being one of the football hubs in India. We are excited to see what this dynamic team brings to the competition.
Region, North India, with their coach guiding them. They're geared up to give their best and make their region proud. Let's welcome the team from North India, representing Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. This region is known for its diverse landscape, from the bustling capital city to the serene Himalayas. North India has produced some exceptional sport talents over the years, and we are sure the footballers will make us proud in this competition. Welcome to Kerala and all the best.
Northwest region with their coach guiding them. They are geared up to give their best and make their region proud. We now welcome the team from the Northwest region representing the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. This region, known for its historical value, vibrant culture and contributions to sports like wrestling, kabaddi and football. The players from this region carry forward a tradition of grit and determination. Let's cheer for them as they prepare to showcase their talent in this competition.
We are delighted to welcome the team from Odisha, the land of temples and festivals. Odisha is known for its rich cultural heritage, especially the ancient Konark temple and the vibrant Rath Yatra. Odisha has also made its mark in Indian sports, especially in the field hockey, and is now rising in football. Let's give a warm welcome to the Odisha team, led by their dedicated coach and manager. We're excited to see their skills on the field.
It's a pleasure to announce
that we have an international presence here. The team UAE with the captain guiding them. They are geared up to give their best and make their region proud. Traveling across borders to join us, their participation truly embodies the spirit of sportsmanship. Let's give them a warm and enthusiastic round of applause as they proudly represent their nation on this grand field.
Now we have the team from the Tamil Nadu region, led by their captain. They are ready to showcase their skills and make their mark in the field. It's a pleasure to welcome the team from Tamil Nadu, the land of temples, classical music and vibrant traditions. Tamil Nadu has a rich history of excellence in sports, with a strong presence in football, athletics and chess. We are excited to witness their spirit and dedication on the football field today. Let's welcome their coach, manager and players with great
To the team of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand.
Historical significance and
Uttarakhand, with its breathtaking landscapes and pilgrimage sites, have both contributed significantly to Indian sports. This team is filled with young, energetic players ready to make an impact on the field. We wish them the best of luck.
Next, we have the team from West Bengal and Northeast region. Led by the captain, they're ready to showcase their skills and make their mark on the field. We now welcome the team from West Bengal and the Northeast. West Bengal is known for its intellectual legacy, art and deep passion for football, especially in Kolkata. The Northeast is a powerhouse of football talent in India, producing some of the best players in the country. Together, they form a formidable team that we are excited to watch. Welcome and all the best in the competition.
have our own Kerala region, led by their captain. They are dedicated to make this tournament a memorable one. We are proud to welcome our very own Kerala team. Kerala, known as God's own country, is famous for its backwaters, coconut groves and rich cultural heritage. Football has a special place in the hearts of the people of Kerala, with a long history of producing talented players. As hosts, we are thrilled to have our team here, and we are confident that they will make us proud. Best of luck to our Kerala team.
മിസ് ഗ്രേസ് മിസ് നിർത്തണം, ഇപ്പം നിർത്തണോ? നിർത്തിയേക്കട്ടെ.
Esteemed guests and participants,
the march past has come to an end, and what a spectacular display of discipline and teamwork we have just witnessed. As we bring the ceremonial proceedings to a close, we now invite you to join us for the function.
India, a land of countless traditions, languages and customs, is a home to a kaleidoscope of dance forms, each reflecting the unique essence of its state. Today, we are about to embark on a cultural journey across India, starting from the heart of our own beautiful state, Kerala. Known as a cradle of art and culture, Kerala is home to some of the most revered and graceful dance forms that have captivated audiences. From the powerful and expressive movements of Kathakali, a dance drama that tells tales of gods and heroes, to the elegant and enchanting grace of Mohiniyattam, which sways like the gentle breeze over Kerala's backwaters, and the rhythmic storytelling of Kuthu. Each performance reflects the deep-rooted traditions to this magical land. Now, our students will transport us across the length and breadth of this beautiful country as they pay tribute to the tradition and style of various Indian states through dance. So sit back, relax, and allow yourselves to be enchanted by the rhythm, grace, and spirit of India brought to life by the young stars of KE School. We present a charming performance dedicated to our esteemed guests, showcasing our joy and respect. Join us in celebrating the rhythmic beats and vibrant energy that define the spectacular event. Through music and dance, we invite you to partake in a journey of unity and joy. Welcome to the enchanting Rhythmic Fiesta.
പാദതാരിലൊരു പൊൻചിലങ്കയാം കേരളമേ ഭാർഗവചരിതം മാടിടുന്നു കളനൂപുരനാദമുണർത്തി നീ കേരളം ഭാരതഭൂവിൻ പാദതാരിലൊരു പൊൻചിലങ്കയാം കേരളമേ ഭാർഗവചരിതം മാടിടുന്നു കളനൂപുരനാദമുണർത്തി നീ മാരുതമർമരതാളവും മിഴിവേകിയ മരതകതീരവും തിരപാടിയ സാഗരഗീതിയിൽ മുഴുകുന്നു കോകില പൂജനലാളിതം പുലകാലം കനകവിരാജിതം ഭാരതഭൂവിൻ പാദതാരിലൊരു പൊൻചിലങ്കയാം കേരളമേ ഭാർഗവചരിതം മാടിടുന്നു കളനൂപുരനാദമുണർത്തി നീ കേരളം കേരളം
ചെക്കലടിക്കും മുമ്പേ തയ്യം താരോ ചെമ്പാട്ട് വീശും മുമ്പേ തയ്യം താരോ ചെമ്പാവും പാടത്ത ചാത്തനും നേലിയും തമ്പ്രാമ്പടി കച്ചനെ തയ്യം താരോ താരോ Tagatara takadimitara takadimitara takadimidom Tagatara takadimitara takadimitara takadimidom Tagatara takadimitara takadimitara takadimidom
सुनी दा तारा ओए मित्र मेरे ने जित ही जाना ओ मित्र मेरे ने जित ही जाना यारा कदे ना हारा डांस करदा ए जिवें टिम टिम करदा तारा डांस करदा ए जिवें टिम टिम करदा तारा डांस करदा ओ छੱਡ नफरत नूं तू यारा कहंदा ए मेरा ढोल बजदा ओ प्यार ही ता सब दा सहारा कहंदा ए मेरा ढोल बजदा
प्यार तू सबनू कर लेना हाथ बढ़ा के फड़ लेना गले से लगा ले दोबारा
ज्योत्सना पुलकितयामिनी फूलकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी।
Now it's time to unfurl the sports flag, a symbol of the spirit of competition, teamwork and fair play that will guide us throughout the CISCE National Football Championship 2024. Please rise for the flag hoisting ceremony. I humbly request Sri Jose Ambalakulam, President of District Panchayat Kottayam, and Dr. Rosamma Soni, Member of District Panchayat Kottayam, to hoist the flag. unfurled. May its colors inspire us to strive for excellence, to embrace the value of sportsmanship, and to celebrate the joy of sports. Let us take a moment to acknowledge the participants, officials, and organizers who have come together to make this tournament a success. Long live sports! Long live the spirit of competition! Dear sports enthusiasts, we are now at a pivotal moment in the CISCE National Football Championship 2024. The oath-taking ceremony is a solemn promise to uphold the values of sportsmanship, fair play, and respect. It's a commitment to play with integrity, to support one another, and to conduct ourselves with dignity. Please join me in warmly welcoming Master Ajay Monson, the captain of the Kerala region from Don Bosco School, Vadadara, Ernakulam, who will administer the oath to the players. Ajay has achieved remarkable success in football, securing the position of first runners-up with the Kerala U19 team at the CISCE National Football Championship. He also led his team to become runners-up in the U19 category at the prestigious SGFI Championship, making him a true inspiration for all our young athletes.
Oath. We swear that we will take part in the third CISC National Football Championship in fair competition, respecting the rules and regulations with true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of the CISC and for the glory of sports.
Thank you, players, for taking this solemn pledge. May your words guide your actions, and may the spirit of sportsmanship shine bright throughout this championship. Let us now applaud the players for their commitment to fair play and sportsmanship. Thank you all.
Dr. C.T. Aravinda Kumar, Vice Chancellor, MG University, Kottayam, is a senior professor at the School of Environmental Science at Mahatma Gandhi University. He also holds honorary positions as the director of the Inter-University Instrumentation Center, a Government of Kerala initiative, coordinator of the National Center, SAIFDSD, and the director of the International Center for Polar Studies. With great respect, love, and gratitude, we cordially invite you, sir, for the presidential address.
Namaskaram. Very good evening to all. Most respected Minister Sri V.N. Vasavan, Father Mullasheri, other distinguished members on the dais, off the dais, dear delegates, friends. On the outset, I welcome you to this Mahatma Gandhi University campus, a university, the first university in our country named after the father of the nation. I'm really honored to be here for this program, and also really thrilled due to a number of reasons. First one, this is the first ever tournament being taking place in this newly built football ground. The second one, the backbone of our country, the young talented students are the players of this tournament. The third one of the most prestigious ICSE schools, Mananam K, headed by Father Mullasheri, is hosting this program. then one of the most prominent ministers of the Kerala State Cabinet is inaugurating this program. And above all, we are watching football, a sport which is being followed by almost about 3.5 billion people in the world. And our population in the world is close to 8. So that means almost about half of the population is actually following this football. So that's the spirit, that's the excitement. I once again welcome all, and I wish you all the very big success and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring and thought-provoking keynote address. Your insight and expertise have truly enlightened us, and we are grateful for the time you took to share your knowledge with us today. We are thrilled to have the distinguished presence of Sri V.N. Vasavan, the Honorable Minister for Corporation, Ports and Devasams, Government of Kerala. We accord a friendly welcome to you, sir, to the inaugural ceremony of CISCE National Football Championship 2024. Your support and encouragement for this event are truly appreciated. Your words of wisdom and insight will undoubtedly motivate the young athletes participating in the tournament and encourage them to strive for excellence. With great pleasure, we invite you to light the lamp and inaugurate the CISCE National Football Championship 2024. I also request other dignitaries to join them.
ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട യോഗാധ്യക്ഷൻ ഡോക്ടർ CT അരവിന്ദകുമാർ VCMG യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി, സ്വാഗതമാശംസ ബഹുമാനായ റവറൻഡ് ഡോക്ടർ ജെയിംസ് മുല്ലശ്ശേരി CMI, വേദിയിലുള്ള ബഹുമാനായ ഗ്രാമപഞ്ചായത്ത് പ്രസിഡന്റ് ശ്രീ ജോസ് അമ്പലക്കുളം, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ഡോക്ടർ റോസമ്മ സോണി, മെമ്പർ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് പഞ്ചായത്ത്, ശ്രീമതി അന്നമ്മ മാണി, ശ്രീ ഷാജി ജോസഫ്, ഡോക്ടർ ഇന്ദു പി നായർ, അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് ജെയ്സൺ ജോസഫ്, മിസ്റ്റർ റോയി മൈക്കിൾ, വേദിയിലും സദസ്സിലുമുള്ള മറ്റ് ബഹുമാന്യരെ, പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കായിക താരങ്ങളെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനികളെ, സഹോദരീ സഹോദരന്മാരെ, ഈ സായാഹ്നം അത്യന്തം അഭിമാനത്തിൻ്റെയും ആഹ്ലാദത്തിൻ്റെയും നിമിഷങ്ങൾ പങ്കിടുകയാണ്. CISEC നാഷണൽ ഫുട്ബോൾ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റിന് ആതിഥേയത്വം വഹിക്കാൻ അതിരമ്പുഴയ്ക്ക് അവസരം ലഭിച്ചത് അഭിമാനകരമായി കരുതുന്നു. ആതിഥേയ സംസ്കാരത്തിൽ എന്നും മുന്നിട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്ന അക്ഷരനഗരിയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന അതിരമ്പുഴ, ഒപ്പം MG യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയിൽ ഉന്നതമായ സാംസ്കാരിക സാമൂഹ്യ ധാരണയിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റിനെ വരവേൽക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായ ആതിഥേയത്വമാണ് ഒരുക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിൽ വിശിഷ്യ ബഹുമാന്യായ മുല്ലശ്ശേരി അച്ഛൻ്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ഓർഗനൈസിംഗ് കമ്മിറ്റി ഉദ്ഘാടനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് സംഘടിപ്പിച്ച കൾച്ചറൽ പ്രോഗ്രാം തന്നെ ഈ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടന സമ്മേളനത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും മനോഹാരിത പകരുന്ന രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുകൂട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നു. പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും വർത്തമാനകാല ഇന്ത്യയുടെ സാംസ്കാരിക രൂപങ്ങൾ, കേരളത്തിൻ്റെ തനിമയാർന്ന കഥകളിയും കളരിപ്പയറ്റും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കച്ചിപ്പുടിയും ഇവിടെ കണ്ട മോഹിനിയാട്ടവും കളരിപ്പയറ്റുമെല്ലാം വളരെ മനോഹരമായി അവതരിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഔപചാരികമായ ഉദ്ഘാടന ചടങ്ങ് വർണ്ണാഭമാക്കി മാറ്റിയിരിക്കുന്നു എന്നെടുത്ത് പറയുന്നു. അത് ആ നിലയിൽ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത മുല്ലശ്ശേരി അച്ഛനെ പ്രത്യേകമായി അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. കേരളത്തിൻ്റെ സാംസ്കാരിക തനിമ വളരെ ഭംഗിയായി മനോഹരമായി ആ കലാകാരന്മാർ നമുക്കെല്ലാം കർണാനന്ദകരമായ അനുഭൂതി പകരുന്ന, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നയനമനോഹരമായ രംഗങ്ങൾ സൃഷ്ടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവരോട് അവതരിപ്പിക്കുകയുണ്ടായി. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസിൻ്റെ മാർച്ച് ഫാസ്റ്റും വളരെ മനോഹരമാക്കി. അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ നിലയിലും നമ്മുടെ CISEC നാഷണൽ ഫുട്ബോൾ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റ് 2024 ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമാക്കി തീർത്തതിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടന ചടങ്ങ് എന്ന് പറയാതിരിക്കാൻ നിർവാഹമില്ല. ദേശീയ തലത്തിൽ തന്നെ നമുക്കെല്ലാം അറിയാവുന്ന പോലെ ഈ സ്കൂളുകളുടെ എല്ലാം അസോസിയേഷനുടെ അഖിലേന്ത്യാ പ്രസിഡൻ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ഫാദർ ഡോക്ടർ ജെയിംസ് മുല്ലശ്ശേരി ദേശീയ തലത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഏറെ ശ്രദ്ധേയനായി ഇത്തരം പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രംഗത്ത് അദ്ദേഹം ആഗോളാടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ തന്നെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന വ്യക്തിത്വമായി മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ നിലയിൽ തന്നെ ഇത് മനോഹരമായി ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഇവിടെ നടന്നു വരുന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ ഫുട്ബോൾ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റ് അതിൻ്റെ പൂർണ്ണ അർത്ഥത്തിലും വിജയത്തിലും എത്തിച്ചേരട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഈ CISEC നാഷണൽ ഫുട്ബോൾ ടൂർണമെൻറ്റ് 2024 ഔപചാരികമായി ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്തതായി പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence, and your support means a great deal to us, and we are honored to have you here with us today. Thank you, sir. Respected Sri Vosavan, sir, we would like to express our love and affection for your presence today by honoring you with a memento. Advocate Jason Joseph, PTA President, is requested to present the memento. Sir, please. Now I invite Dr. C.T. Aravindakumar, sir, Vice Chancellor, MG University, to accept our token of gratitude. Advocate Jason Joseph, sir, is requested to present the memento. Now I invite Sri Jose Ambalakulam, President Adirimbura Grama Panchayat, to receive our token of gratitude. Sri Shaji Joseph, Ward Member of Adirimbura Grama Panchayat, is requested to present the memento. Now I invite Dr. Rosama Soni, Member District Panchayat Kottayam, to accept our token of gratitude. Now I would like to invite Srimati Annama Mani, Member Block Panchayat Etumanur, to accept our token of gratitude. I would like to invite Sri Shadi Joseph, Ward Member of Adhirampura Grama Panchayat, to accept our gratitude.
It is our esteemed privilege to invite Sri V.N. Vasavan, Minister for Cooperation, Ports and Devasam, Government of Kerala, to graciously perform the ceremonial kickoff and officially inaugurate the CISCE National Football Championship 2024. Sir, your distinguished presence here today is a testament to your unwavering commitment to the development of sports and empowerment of young athletes. We are deeply grateful to your support and patronage.
Minister Vasavan sir is giving the kickoff now and giving a kick start to the championship. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. Every event is made successful by the efforts of many, and it is the only fitting way to acknowledge their hard work. I now invite the Vice Principal of HSS Section, Mr. Roy Michael, to deliver the vote of thanks, expressing our heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone who made this event possible.
Esteemed Chair, Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Coordinator, Honorable Guest of Honor, other distinguished dignitaries on the stage, dignified guests off the stage, friends, teachers, dedicated players, coaches, organizers, volunteers, and enthusiastic football lovers gathered here from across the nation. It's so heartening to see the whole of India gathered here at Kottayam, the land of letters, lakes, and latex. As we are witnessing a spectacular extravaganza of the CISCE National Football Championship and have had it officially inaugurated, let me, on behalf of Kuriakose Elias English Medium School and all the other schools associated with the championship, extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved in making this inaugural ceremony a resounding success. Foremost among them, Dr. C.T. Aravind Kumar, Vice Chancellor of MG University, has graced the occasion by presiding over the inaugural ceremony. It's indeed an honor for us. Our heartfelt gratitude to you, sir, for honoring and supporting us with your benign presence amidst us today. Thank you, sir. Sri V.N. Vasavan, Minister for Cooperation, Ports and Devasams, despite his hectically filled activities for the day, has honored us by being the chief guest and inaugurating the ceremony. He always ensures his presence involvement and support in various activities of our school, and today is no exception. We are indeed grateful to you, sir, for spending your valuable time with us today. Reverend Dr. James Malasheri CMI, the coordinator of CISCE Regional Sports and Games and principal of the horse school, Kuriakose Elias School, is the pivot and pillar of this mega event. It's a strong determination and confidence that has brought this event to KE School Mananam. Each of us is greatly indebted to you, Father, for your relentless efforts and arduous roles in bringing this championship to a fruition. The entire CISCE community is indebted to you, Father, for what you are to this championship in particular. Our guest of honor, Advocate Mons Joseph MLA of Kaduthurthi constituency, your presence with us on this special day has certainly added sheen and color to the event. Sorry, he is absent today. Even then, in absentia, we do thank him. Sri George Sampalakulam, President of Adiramburam Grama Panchayat, Dr. Rosama Soni, Member of Kottayam District Panchayat, Srimati Annamamani, Member of Echumanur Block Panchayat, and Sri Shaji Joseph, Member of Adiramburam Grama Panchayat. You are our local guardians, our guiding light, our neighborhood help, support and strength. That you have spared your valuable time to spend with us today means a lot to us. Thank you, Joseph sir. Thank you, Rosama teacher. Thank you, Annama ma'am. Thank you, Shaji teacher. PTA President Advocate Jason Joseph and PTA Vice President Dr. Indu Nair have been enthusiastically involved in the actualization of this event to unfold here. Our sincere thanks are due to you too, Jason sir and Indu ma'am, for your cooperation and participation in this event. Our sincere thanks to Vice Principal Shaji George sir, who has dedicated his heart and soul for the cause of KE's English Medium School, Mandanam. Thank you very much, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to the dedicated team managers, coaches, observers, teachers, volunteers, and of course the participating players for your exceptional and unquestionable roles in promoting the glory of football. We thank you all in a special way. A word of gratitude to Dr. Binu George, Dean and Director of Physical Education Department and Sports Sciences of MG University, for his wholehearted support. He spared no efforts to help us, and he has actually given us the entire support, the wholehearted support to have this ground let out to us. And Miss Najita S., the section officer, has also been of great help to us. A word of thanks to Alfonsa School for providing us their band team and to making our parade a glamorous one. Let us look forward to some promising matches to unfold before eagerly awaiting eyes, and wait, watch and enjoy this championship in pure sportsman spirit of the game. Many, many thanks to one and all, and yet another time. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Roy sir. As we bring this grand inauguration to a close, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem. Let's honor our country, our athletes, and the spirit of sportsmanship. Thank you all for being part of this wonderful inauguration ceremony. The excitement has just only begun, and we now prepare for the football matches. May this competition be one filled with joy, sportsmanship, and the true spirit of unity. May the best team win, and may we all be reminded of the greatness as we can achieve together. Let's all rise for the national anthem. Everyone, please stand in attention position.